Alex, a 30-year-old professional at the start of their financial journey. Alex knows the importance of setting a strong foundation. They begin by diversifying investments to spread risk and potential growth. Exploring additional income streams adds security. Revisiting and adjusting their budget helps Alex stay on top of expenses. This holistic approach sets Alex up for financial stability and growth. As we delve deeper, we'll explore critical milestones shaping Alex's financial future. In their mid-30s, Alex faces significant financial milestones. It's a pivotal time for reviewing and updating insurance to safeguard their family's future. With children's education expenses looming, Alex starts saving early, understanding its long-term impact. Creating a will and establishing an estate plan are crucial steps in securing a legacy and providing peace of mind for loved ones. Balancing short and long-term goals requires finesse, as Alex navigates immediate desires and future ambitions. These actions are milestones that propel Alex towards financial stability and peace of mind. As we move forward, you'll see how Alex continues to build on this foundation for a secure financial future. In their late 30s, Alex prioritizes paying down their mortgage and other long-term debts. Staying informed on the latest tax strategies and deductions is crucial for optimizing their financial position. Additionally, they increase retirement savings contributions, ensuring a secure future. These calculated steps set Alex on a path of financial stability, paving the way for a worry-free future.